Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to estimate amount of magnesium from the talcum powder sample. This is the experiment under non-instrumental practicals. So this is talcum powder. We have to estimate the amount of magnesium which is present in this talcum powder sample. I have taken this weight amount of the powder sample. 1 gram of the powder is taken. Other requirements are buffer solution is required. Buffer of pH 10 is required. EDTA solution is required. This is EDTA solution. Aerochrome black tea indicator is required. This is EBT indicator. Okay. Step 1 is we have to transfer this weight amount of the powder in a beaker for dissolving it in a concentrated HCl. So I am transferring this powder in one Borosil beaker and we have to heat that powder by adding hydro. Now in this powder sample, weight amount of the powder sample, we need to add concentrated hydrochloric acid. 10 ml hydrochloric acid is to be added in this solution. This is 10 ml hydrochloric acid. And this particular mixture has to be heated on a sand bath for 5 to 10 minutes. We have to heat it gently on the sand bath. I will stir it by glass rod. It can be stirred with the help of glass rod. I am keeping this wash glass and I am covering it with wash glass partially. After some time, we have to add little amount of water and then we have to heat it strongly. Now it is heated gently. We need to add 10 ml water into it and then we have to heat it strongly for about 5 minutes. Okay. Now adding water slowly. So this mixture now has to be heated strongly. We have to boil it for 5 minutes and then we will filter it through Wattmann filter paper number 42 in a 100 ml standard measuring glass. Okay. We have to filter this solution through Wattmann filter paper number 42 into 100 ml standard measuring glass. So we need to use simple filter paper funnel technique for filtration. Now I need to stop heating. Burner is closed now. Filter this solution through Wattmann filter paper number 42. It's a simple filter paper funnel technique for filtering this solution. We have to wash the beaker by sufficient amount of water and this washing have to be added in the same flask. And then finally we have to dilute that solution up to the mark by distilled water. Now we need to wash this beaker by a sufficient amount of water and this washing has to be added in the same flask. Now we have to dilute this solution up to the mark by distilled water. I am diluting this solution up to the mark with distilled water. We can use this diluted solution for titration with EDTA for estimation of amount of magnesium. This solution in one beaker so that it becomes homogeneous solution. We have to use this solution for estimation of magnesium. For titration, we need to pipette out 10 ml solution. I am pipetting this 10 ml solution now. 10 ml sample solution. Now in this solution, we need to add buffer solution of pH 10. 5 ml buffer solution is required to be added. So this is 5 ml buffer solution of pH 10. Then we need to add aerochrome black indicator. Very small amount of indicator is required to be added. So when we add indicator, say this is wine red color solution after adding the indicator, aerochrome black indicator. Now we need to titrate this solution against EDTA. So EDTA is filled in the burette, 0.02 molar EDTA is already filled in the burette, and now I am titrating this solution against EDTA. Addition of EDTA should be dropwise with constant stirring. So I am adding EDTA, 0.02 molar EDTA in this solution. Addition should be very slow with see color of the solution is changing now. This is blue colored solution. We need to stop addition of titrant. This is the end point of the titration. Now we need to see the burette reading. Burette reading is I think 6.5 ml. Okay. So 6.5 ml EDTA is required for okay reading. We can repeat the titration 2 to 3 times so that we can find out constant burette reading. By using that constant burette reading and by using reaction stoichiometry, we can calculate amount of magnesium 2+ present in the given powder sample. Okay. Thank you.